Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to use many to one avatar underscore user attribute in Odoo 19 for our custom module. In today's lecture, we will be studying how to add another state or another field in the selection field without replacing that particular block of code. What I mean to say is when you go to the books menu here, we have various states, right? I will activate the developer mode, and when I hover, there are currently 4 states. Now, what if I want to add another state in this particular selection field? So, primary idea would be simply add that in the code. Here in the code, go to the library books, and here simply add that particular tuple. It would be very basic idea, right? But what if here in the cells module I have this state. Now what if I want to add selection field option here? So what can I do for that? One might say we can simply replace it with the X path, but that particular thing is not optimized way to approach this particular issue. So in order to add the particular option in the selection field, all we need to do is use the attribute selection underscore add. What I mean to say, let's go to the code. I will demonstrate you. As in our previous lecture, I have already inherited cell.order model. So here I will simply add first the field name. What is the field name? Field name is state and its type is selection. Go to the code. State is equals to fields dot selection, then simply add attribute selection underscore add is equals to square bracket, round bracket. Here in it is our tuple. We will simply add here custom state, comma, label custom state. I'll simply here. Now what I'll do, I'll simply restart the server, go to the apps, upgrade our module, and now we will go to the cells module, open any of the records, and when I hover here, activating the developer mode, over here you can see there is a new added option in the selection field, that is custom underscore state as custom state. So with the help of this small attribute selection underscore add, you can add option in the pre-built selection field. All you need to do is inherit that model and use the same field name as in the module and add the attribute selection underscore add. Now quickly summarize today's topic. In order to add another option in this particular state, we have an attribute known as selection underscore add. So how do we implement that? All you need to do, first you need to inherit this model. After inheriting this model, you have to use the same field name, same data type, and here you need to add an attribute known as selection underscore add, and followed by is equals to square bracket, then the tuple in which you have to add your value. After adding it, you simply restart the server and you will see the custom state. I hope this small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.